Hi, first grade. It is so good to see you. This week, we're going to be reviewing how to add really big numbers and how to subtract really big numbers. And we're going to be putting them into word problems, ways that we're going to be using addition and subtraction out in the real world. Okay? So we're going to practice that this week, Monday through Thursday. And on Friday, you'll take a quiz to see how you're doing with adding and subtracting. Okay? So, for instance, let's just review how we're adding big numbers. So let's say I have 47 plus 32. Okay. How can I add those together? Well, let's put them on top of each other. And if you have your whiteboard, you can do this. Line up your ones, line up your tens, equals 7 plus 2. What's 7 plus 2, Aiden? 9. 4 plus 3. Cody, what is 4 plus 3? 7. So 47 plus 32 equals 79. Okay, that's a pretty easy one. We've got this, right? Okay. Now what do we do if our numbers start to get even bigger? So let's say I have 29 plus 46. Okay, so again, I have them lined up on top of each other. I've got my ones, I've got my tens, but I always start with I always start with the ones in case I have to make another 10, right? So what's 9 plus 6? Well, anytime we add a number to 9, this number goes down 1. So it becomes 15. I put my 5 ones there. I put my 10 up here. 2 and 1 is 3, plus 4 is 7. 75. Okay. We're just reviewing, we're just practicing. Okay. What if I have hundreds? 253 plus 48. Okay. Well, I'm going to write down my 253. If you have your whiteboard, you can do that. 253. Okay. Now I have my 48. Well, if I go like this, 48, I put my tens with the hundreds. That's not going to work. We have to make sure we always line it up. So 48, the ones go together, the tens. This one doesn't have any hundreds, so there's nothing there. We're adding, so I put a plus sign, equals, and we always start with, Nicolas, what do we start with? That's right, the ones. What is 8 plus 3? Well, it's 11, so I put my ones here, my 10. 5 plus 1 is 6, but then I also have this 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Put our 0 there and our 1 digit up here. Now I'm going to add my hundreds. What is 2 plus 1? 3. So 253 plus 48 equals 301. Okay. All right. So let's have you do some practice ones for today, just to keep this fresh so that we're making sure we understand what to do. I want you to solve these addition equations. (34 plus 52). 48 plus 26. 257 plus 131. 378 plus 59. Oops, let's make my 9 a little nicer. And 646. 7 plus 185. I want you to write those down. Remember, you can always pause this video to write all of them down. You can do this on a piece of paper or on your whiteboard. Solve them, put them on top of each other, line them up. Always start with the ones. Solve them for me, put it on Seesaw. Okay, I know you can do it. See you soon.